Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it's club time. What does club time mean? It means on the first of every month, Ken gets up extra early and gets your stamp and Die Hard club memberships in the mail. Now, this month is really, I'm happy about because it's about time. I like to do like once a year, we like to do this theme, and it's time to do this theme. It is, are you ready for this? Flowers to layer. Now, I really like this one because not only does it have a whole bunch of great sentiments, but also it has lots and lots of layers. I'm sorry, lots and lots of flowers to layer, which is really exciting. Now, of course, my Die Hard Club members, your dies are coming in the package, so you're getting the same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. Now, the dies that match are really fun because you're getting all of those intricate dies in the inside dies and the shadows, of course, because remember, we always like to make sure you get both. So if you don't like the shadow, you use the inside die when you die cut it. If you do like the shadow, you use the larger die, and you get to layer them. Now, I'll be honest with you right now. Number one, this is my favorite flower. I love this flower. I had so much fun with that one. Also, my friends, those of you that are into our calendars, the ones that we have right behind me right here, you're going to be thankful you have this set coming soon. That's all I'm going to say. But you will need this set soon, eventually, this year. Okay, so I love this set. It has lots of fun. It has thinking of you, happy birthday, you mean the world to me, my friend. So you can say, my friend, thinking of you, or thinking of you, my friend. Lots of different options on here. Now, let's look at my awesome samples because as you know, I love to brag about my design team. But of course, club members, you also get the little postcard that shows the add-on option, and there is an add-on stamp set, which is very exciting, and I'll talk to you about that in the next video. Now let's look at our fun samples. This is actually a little sneak peek, but look how cute that is. I love how this designer made her own background paper. It's absolutely beautiful with our flip it card. Here's a fun one, just simple. You mean the world to me with those outlined flowers, and another sneak peek on that one. Here's a gorgeous one. Oh, this is that swish card that I took onto HSN. Look at those beautiful flowers. Isn't it fun to make your own background paper and then have one of them just be a little popped up so you can really see it? Isn't that pretty? Oh, here's another gorgeous one. This one's almost watercolored with some glitter on there. I love that one. Now, you don't even have to use the stamps if you don't want to. Use just the dies. See, I told you that flower was awesome. I love that flower. Now here's a watercolored look. Isn't that pretty? Doing that watercolor. Here's another watercolor one. Look how pretty. Solid. Oh gosh, I wish I had a solid stamp for this. Coming soon. Go watch the next video. But then these are watercolored. So pretty. Here's another one of it solid, which is really fun. Those of you that don't like to color, you're going to want to see the add-on stamp set. That's all I'll say right now. And then, oh gosh, look how gorgeous this one is. Isn't that pretty? I love that. It says mommy. Isn't that? I love that. That's beautiful. Another one where you can make your own background paper. I love that. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Ken, as I mentioned, gets up extra early to get those in the mail to you. Now, if you're not a club member, you need to join. You need to join like yesterday. Every club member gets a 15 to 20% discount on our website, depending on what club they're in. They also get fun stuff like this sent to them automatically each month. You get club points, you get the club discount on everything on our website, everything, including machines, adhesives, everything. And as a club member, every couple months we like to send out freebies to you. And if you've been in the club a full year, on your anniversary month, you get a gift certificate to our website, which is really exciting. So go join the Stamper Die Hard Club. You'll get this set sent to you automatically, and you get 2 free bonus gifts for joining one of our clubs. So it's like a sign-on bonus. So go check that out at thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'll see you there. Bye-bye.